How to bold text in Facebook post. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open the Facebook app on your device and make sure to log into your account. Now, if you want to text in bold in your Facebook post, the first step is to tap on what's on your mind. Here you can compose your text. Once you do that, the option to make your text bold in the Facebook application itself is not available. What you can do, however, is copy this text, then exit the Facebook application. Now you want to open up any web browser. On the search bar, search for Yay Text Bold, then tap on this website, which is yaytext.com. Once you tap on this website, scroll down. All you have to do now is in the box where it says your text, go ahead and paste what you have copied. After that, down below, you can find different font styles. There is bold, italic, bold/italic, and much more. Find the font that suits you the best. For example, let's say the first one, which is bold. Tap on the copy option next to it. Once it has been copied, exit your browser. Open up the Facebook application. Then either you can erase it or paste it side by side. And as you can see, your text has been converted into bold. Now you can also add backgrounds to your text. Once that is done, tap on post. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.